Doing some first in the world content for Street Kings. It's my boy Mr. Two Lines, aka Mr. Go Get Your Daddy Car, Mr. 95 SS himself. Check this out. We found a 96 in the middle of a field. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is like the come up of the day. So what we looking at is what it's gonna cost us to put this car back together. Don't quite know the history on it. I guess we gonna find out. There's a motor and a transmission still in the car. Yeah, front's burnt up, so pretty much know we need an engine harness. Brake stuff. Yeah, stuff burnt to the top of the motor, so we're gonna try and get this car back running. Oh yeah, we got some Freon. I'm staying cool. So, first official Street Kings project, man, that we actually gonna go live and post and all that other good stuff. That's it. 96 Impala. Right now, we're trying to get into the trunk and see what else we might find here. Oh, we got some shades. Ooh, and Erica Stratus. Keep y'all posted. All right, we had to pause the camera because we didn't want to show you what we had going on. But basically, I'm gonna give y'all a cheat code. What you look for with these vehicles is right there. WX3. That signifies whether you have an Impala or a clone. Easiest way to match it up. Last 6 digits, 192359. Come up here to the front. 192359. So it looks like we struck gold with this one. Woo! This is the original factory style wheel. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to find us a set of factory. So we're gonna put that on the tab. But it looks like we're gonna bring this back. Alright. So right now we're trying to figure out how much fire damage we have. Ooh. Took out the lower dash. Looks like he was an audio guy. So far we've got some burn through up here in the front carpet. We're gonna pull up floor pans, etc., etc. I mean, not floor pans. Pull up the carpet. Oh, plushest seats you'll ever find in your life. Trying to get this carpet out here. Oh shit! Oh, we got $1. Woo! Already making profit. God damn it. Boy, I love America. So, doing some more investigation in the engine bay. Yeah, she's done. Definitely gonna need an engine harness. You can see fans, radiator. That's actually not, that's just plastic. You know, it has a plastic cover on top of it. So, what we're gonna look for now is go find us a donor vehicle. Now, the one fun fact, not really, about 96 B bodies is the engine has to be a 96 B body. Don't get me, you know, confused. Well, I ain't editing none of this, by the way. Yeah, it's a sensor on this one. I think it's the, hey, what is it, bro? The camshaft or the crank sensor? It's the crank sensor on the 96s that the 94 and the 95 LT1s don't have. But the good thing is LT1 came in a bunch of other cars, so it's not like, you know what I'm saying, it specifically has to be a 96 Impala to get the engine out of. You got Caprices, Roadmasters, Fleetwoods, personal favorite, Camaros, Corvettes. We can find one of those with those aluminum heads. Put a little 3/4 cam in there. Woo! Who knows? We might bring it back as a race car. Well, I'm getting to work. Gonna see if we can get this old engine up out of there and get some progress going. Alright, and this is what we have inside the driver front wheel well. So, I don't know what temperature what starts to melt it, you know. But yeah, as you can see, all of this is pretty much gonna have to get redone. Yeah, so it should be pretty fun.